Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you that how we can edit a layer using Query Builder. Query Builder is a very important command in ArcGIS. So let's start by first adding some layer or data. I'm going to click on add data simply and add this shp file, parkcities.shp file. You can add layer of your own choice, and then I'm going to click on over here and open its attribute table. And let's study the attribute table first. So let's maximize this table and let's see what kind of properties we can get from this attribute table. So in name 1 I have, okay, in name 0 I have the country name. In name 1 I have province's name. In name 2 I have some, I think, district names. And then in name 3 I have what, city names, famous city names. So I have now got it what kind of information I have in this layer. And now I'm going to close this. So let's now define some query. So first of all, you have to know what is a query builder. A query builder uses different codes like Boolean algebra codes to modify any layer, like its topology, location, or geometry. So basically what it does is that it analyzes a big amount of data, large amount of set of data, and chooses a subset of that data. Means a large amount of data can be analyzed, and then we can get some specific feature from that data. So it's just like a search option, like a search bar, or you can say when you use your search engine like Google. When you search something on Google, it shows you different types of result, and the keywords that you have used can greatly affect the amount of research results that you will get. So you will understand these things only if you practice it. So basically, a query chooses a subset of records from the database, and a query may be simply only searching for one feature, or more complex, selecting a group of features. So there are different query operations that we are going to study here as well. So let's move on to the practice. So on your left, you can see I have a layer, Park City layers, and I'm gonna right click on it and go to its property. In the last video, we have already studied the three types of properties, layer properties. One is that display, and we have also studied the symbology and the label property. So now we are going to study this definition query property. I'm going to click on this simply, and I'm going to click on this query builder. A dialog box is opened. You can see different values. So now we have to generate some kind of code over here, and this layer is a very let me explain you. This layer has large amount of data right now, just like I have just shown you previously. Its attribute table, it has large amount of data, and we need to just show some particular data from it. Like if I want to show you or display over here specific area like a province or a city, I have to use some codes, or I have to use this query builder in order to display that particular area. So over here I'm just gonna simply I know that my name 2 value field has some city's name. I've already studied that attribute table, so from there I know that name 2 has values of what, famous city names of Pakistan. So from here I'm gonna click on this now. double click on this, and name2 is written over here. We are now writing some Boolean code, and then equal sign, and let's display some city like Islamabad, and double click on over here. Now this code has been now written over here. Now we are gonna verify this code. You have to verify this code before applying it. So this says over here the expression was successfully verified. Okay, and then I'm gonna click on OK and apply this. Let's see what it shows. So here you can see Islamabad. Let's zoom to it so it will be visible to you. So this place is now Islamabad. From that big chunk of data, I have displayed some small amount of data like this. And from identification icon, I'm going to click on this and let's see whether this is Islamabad or not. So this dialog box has opened and it says yes, this is name to Islamabad. That's exactly what we have written in our code. So let's try something else as well. Let's go to, okay, let's try, let's undo this and add the layer again. I'm gonna quickly do this and go to its property, again properties, query builder, definition query, and click on query builder. Let's type something else, like I want, so name2, we already know our name2 has what, some provinces name, okay, sorry, some what, famous city names, right? So from name2 I want to display, let's see, Azad Kashmir, and I'm using the or function, or, and then I will say let's, okay, Azad Kashmir, what's closer to the Azad Kashmir? I think Islamabad is much more closer to the Azad Kashmir, so yes, Islamabad. No, this is a wrong code. Wait a minute. Um, Again, name2, double click on this, and then equal. Okay, we have missed the equal sign as well. Let's try this again. So I'm gonna click on name2, equal sign, and Azad Kashmir, then or function, then again name2, then equal sign, and let's suppose Islamabad, and let's verify this code. Okay, the expression was successfully verified. So this means that it's a right expression. We have not made any mistake. If you have missed any syntax like equal or something, it will show you something like this. I'm going to delete this equal sign and let's verify this expression. It will show there was an error with the expression and invalid SQL statement was used. So it's very important to verify your expression before applying it, so you can know whether your code is right or wrong. So let's apply it. Okay, so now this is Islamabad and this is Azad Kashmir, and you can also check by clicking on identification icon and click on this. This will show you that this area is Muzaffarabad, situated in Azad Kashmir, and then this is Islamabad. So that's how you display some data, some small chunk of data from big chunk of data. Okay, let's try something else. Let's write a different code. For example, in any province, we want to exclude some city or area. So let's again remove this layer and add this again. And I'm gonna go to its properties, query builder, and name one, get unique values. So yes, double click on name one, equal sign, um, Punjab, double click, function, and okay, this is two times this. Okay, so and again not, is it, and let's display some values from name 3. So um, what city is situated in Punjab? Mm, you can also search over here, by the way, it's much easier. Let's see, let's type Lahore. Yeah, this is Lahore. And I'm gonna double click on name 3 equal sign and Lahore. Double click. So let's see what this code does to our database. Uh, Here you can see we have used the function and not. So I'm going to verify this expression. So it's successfully verified. OK, click on OK and apply. So yeah, uh, you can see that Lahore is now excluded from this province of Punjab. Let's exclude some other cities so it's much better visible to you because Lahore is very on the eastern side of the border, so you might not understand that where Lahore is actually is. Get unique values and Faisalabad, Faisalabad. I'm going to type right here. Yes. Verify. This expression was successfully verified. Okay, and apply. So yes, now this is much more understandable to you that what function that I've exactly used is that from this Punjab province I have excluded the data or the area of Faisalabad. So this is how you use query builder or query expression. Okay, in order to use query builder or define a query or make a query expression, you need to have a good knowledge of Boolean algebra. So here we are just using some basic Boolean algebra expressions or operators like and, or, not, equal and greater signs, greater than, equal to. These expressions are very self-explanatory, but we are going to mostly deal with and, or, not. It depends what kind of database you're dealing with. So first of all, the and expression is a very common and basic Boolean operator, and basically what it does that it narrows down our search and it retrieves only those objects or element from the research that contains all the terms. Means that, for example, if you have Punjab, or you can say over here we have name one equal um, Punjab and name one equal Sindh. Now what it's gonna do that it's gonna exclude both of these provinces and will display no data. The next expression or the function is or. Or operator is also very common and it retrieves elements or articles with any of the terms, and basically it broadens the search. Means if you have included Punjab or name one equal to Sindh, it will display the data of the both provinces. Then the not expression, here you can see we have used and not. So what it does that it included the Punjab province, but it did not display the Faisalabad in the Punjab province. So it has excluded our our search, and in this way it narrows down our search. So these are just basic Boolean expression. You can study in detail as well, and that's how you use Query Builder and edit your layers using Query Builder. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have learned something. If you have any problem, you can comment down below. And that's it, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.